For those of you who are really interested in wildlife, we have some interesting opportunities and announcements for you at the end of the video. So be sure to stick around. Birds are one of the most graceful animals on the planet. Well, most of them are. They were able to conquer almost every terrestrial and most aquatic habitats, mainly because of their ability to fly. Most other animals the size of these seagulls would prefer hiding. These guys don't seem to care about that. Their ability to fly gives them a massive advantage when it comes to finding food, making birds terrifying predators to insects. As of now, everything seems peaceful in the deciduous forest of India. But this peace won't last long. It has been nearly 6 months since the monsoon. The forest is drying. Finding food gets tougher every day. Desperate attempts in search of food begin. The situation seems dire. And just when all seems lost, a ray of hope emerges. The Palash has bloomed. Millions of red flowers all over the forest resemble a forest fire, and hence the nickname Flame of the Forest. The peculiar shape of the flower is meant to serve a very unique purpose. Looks like we have our first visitor. It's a woodpecker. And slowly, everyone joins in. The shape of this flower is perfect for birds of the forest to sip the calorie-rich nectar. Differentiating between these tiny birds can be extremely difficult. With so much food around, it can be hard to choose. Smaller birds have to constantly keep an eye for predators. But soon, this party too will come to an end, and the birds will have to find a new source of food. For those of you who are really interested in wildlife, head over to www.thenatureseye.com. There, you can join us on our trip to the jungle, get your work featured, write articles, share your video content for future documentaries with us, and a lot more. Also, make sure to check out our Instagram, Facebook. You can email us at info@thenatureseye.com for more details.